Oh, the helicopter's out. It's gone miles in the air and way back into the crowd. You can see, you get underneath it, and the helicopter shot. It goes many a mile once again. Dhoni takes the aerial route. Into the crowd this goes. Well up, Mahendra Singh Dhoni on strike. And that's smashed straight back. The bowler has to take cover, so does the umpire. That's a fierce square cut over the boundary. Normally it's just a matter of time before he goes over the top. No problems. Into the crowd. To go in the over. 6 more! Is this out of the ground? It is! What a shot that is from MS Dhoni. Practice. And again, he comes towards middle and off, and Dhoni is down the track in a flash. Second 6. Oh, goes inside out. He's dealing in 6s at the moment. That struck down the ground for 6. And what a way to bring up 100. Pulled away hard and into the gap. That's typical Dhoni. Fast hands. That's well struck. The bottom hand coming into play. What a shot for 6. It went flat. And it went the distance. Pulls this one. And it's in the gap. He couldn't have split the field better. Down the ground, over long gone, and what a way to finish this over. 21 runs off it. Absolutely magnificent. Dhoni finishes off in style. A magnificent strike into the crowd. India lift the World Cup after 28 years. The parties start in the dressing room, and it's an Indian captain who's been absolutely magnificent in the night of the final.